Here's an example of writing equations of perpendicular lines. So I need to write an equation in slope-intercept form that goes through this point and is perpendicular to this line. So if my slope is equal to a negative 1/2 in this one, that means that the slope of my perpendicular would be the opposite reciprocal, which is 2/1 or just 2, and we make it positive. So with my slope and point, I'm going to use point slope form again. So I'm going to do y minus a negative 4, which is a positive 4, is equal to my slope times my x minus my x1, which is 3. So just here's the equation if you would like it. So it's y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1. And it's just a good habit to get in to write that down so you don't make those mistakes. I then just go ahead and distribute the 2 through and simplify it algebraically. So 2x minus 6, subtract 4, and I get y is equal to 2x minus 10. And that's the equation of the line that is perpendicular to the original given one that goes through the point 3, negative 4.